Hey everyone, it's Luther from Anime Girl, and I'm coming to you live from the editing future. So some of you may know we got a ton of stuff in this week. I wasn't at the store to film all of it, so today there will be clips from some of the stuff that we got in the day before that I will narrate over. And then also we did sell out a good amount of stuff before I could get this video out. So if you see something in the background of a shot that I didn't explicitly feature, that means that item is currently out of stock. But I'll go in and get started. So the first thing we've got today is going to be this Sailor Moon blind box set. Then here we've got a pop-up parade figure of Aqua from Konosuba. See, this box should be mostly Bandai stuff. I think it should be some figures and maybe some model kits. Okay, so here we've got a Ichiban figure of Kwaru from, I think this is from the newest movie. Then here we've got the Asuka from that same Ichiban figure line. As well as the Ichiban Rei. Oh, and now this is a cool figure. Here we've got a large Ichiban figure of Eva Unit 1 with his big glowy arm and his halo. Kind of doing that JoJo's meme walk. Okay, here we've got a couple of Dragon Quest slime lamps. So they're figures, and then when you take them off the base, they light up. Here's a figure of Parcel, also from Dragon Quest. Looks like we got some restocks on the Aegis figure from Persona 3. Then we also got restocks on these nice Misa figures. Oh cool, we were able to get a restock on the Godzilla blind boxes. Here's something we haven't had in quite a while. It is a speaker from Kantai Collection. And then we've also got a restock on the Battleship Nutsu from Kantai Collection. Here we've got some Fate Stay Night headphones. As well as a couple other Fate Stay Night figures. You got Castor and Kingu. Here's a group of Evangelion Q Poskets, which Q Poskets are just kind of like a stylized figure line, kind of chibi, almost like Nendroids, but not quite. Here we've got Takao from Kuroko's Basketball, and character from Hoshin Engin for the 50th anniversary of Shonen Jump. Here's a restock on a Rimuru figure, as well as here we've got Ami from Toradora, which this is pretty cool, but Toradora stuff's pretty hard to come by. Here is a restock on the All Might prize figure. And then I've got a number of kind of idol-ish or moe figures. We've got Girls in Panzer, Love Live Sunshine. I think some of these are from like Derby Girls. You got Katana Girls, Prepara. But here we've got some restocks on some Demon Slayer figures, both the mini Q Poskets and the standard just Bam Presto prize figures. Here we've got some Konosuba minis. Looks like we got a good amount of One Piece figures in. We've got the Boa Q Posket, some of the Jeans Freak figures of, I think that's Rebecca and Zoro. Here we've got Polly doing a fancy rope trick. And we also got a bunch of Dragon Ball Z figures in. Well, Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball GT, and some Dragon Ball Super as well. And then we've also got some Monogatari headphones. A figure from Iwatobi Swim Club. Oh, this is a Revoltech figure of the Sony cat mascot character crossed with Vocaloid. So it's a cat dressed up like Hatsune Miku. Here we've got a restock on the Rathalos SH Monster Arts figure, as well as the Nargacuga. And here's a new figure for us. This is fancy Figure Art Zero Gilgamesh. For model kits, we're going to start off with this 30-minute mission spacecraft. Then here we've got the Kuja pirate ship from One Piece, which these One Piece ships are pretty neat because they all come with like these nice water effects. Here we've got the SD EX Standard Banshee Unicorn. Here, I think this is a new release of one of the Soccer Wars Striker kits. Here's a new Pokemon kit for us. This is one of the quick kits, which are an easier line of Pokemon kits of Pikachu in a battle position. And then to go along with Pikachu, we also got Eevee sitting down. Here we've got the High Grade Origin RX-78. Of all the RX-78s, in my opinion, this is the best high grade to build. Here we've got the Gundam Age FX, which has some really neat effect parts with all its daggers. Here we've got Lost Submarine from One Piece. Then here we've got the ship that Sanji was originally on in One Piece, where he was being a chef. Here we've got some high-grade Leos from Gundam Wing. Here I've got the high-grade Intercept GM, which I've not built this one, but I built the Guard Custom, which is based on the same frame, and that was an excellent kit. We've got a Master Grade Death Scythe. Then here we've got some Ava frame figures, which these are kind of like model kits where you get a pre-built frame that you put your armor pieces on. And here we've got the GM Striker, which I've heard is a pretty solid kit, though he has kind of weak ankles. Here we've got Whitebeard's ship from One Piece, the Moby Dick. Here we've got the Hazel 2 from Advances Zeta, which I've built this, and it was a pretty solid kit, though I prefer the Hazel Custom. Here we've got the Death Scythe Hell Custom from Gundam Wing Endless Waltz. Here's the SD Cross Silhouette RX-78 and Hello Kitty model kit. Here we've got the Master Grade Gundam Alex 2.0, which I hear this is just an excellent kit, and it can be both a chunky boy and a slim boy. Then we've got a restock on the Master Grade Gundam Wing Zero Verkal, which it's been a couple of years since we've had this, I think. Then here we've also got the High Grade Gundam Wing Zero. Then the last Master Grade we've got is the Wing Zero Custom Verkal, which just came out late last year, and I've heard basically only good things about this kit. Now we're on to Volks model kits. The first thing I've got here is the Vlocker starter set Blue Knight, which this is actually a action figure that is just compatible with the Vlocker's model kit line. And we also have the Black Knight archetype, which is the same thing. They're relatively cheap action figures that are pretty good quality for what they are, and you can mix and match them with any of the Vlocker's accessory parts. We've got the Atoll from 5 Star Stories, which is a old mecha series. Here we've got the Ava Prime, which is Ava Unit 1 crossed with the Vlocker's Prime model kit. Then from the hit video game Yakuza Kiwami 2, we've got Fen Yen from Virtual On. Here we've got the Vlocker's Fiore L'Oreal. Then we have the Vlocker's Fiore L'Oreal Fiola. And then while I was finishing up this video, we also got the Carbonia Lanza Date, which is a Good Smile model kit. And that's going to do it for today's unboxing video. Instead of doing my typical end crawl, I'm just going to finish this video out with some footage of the non-figures and model kits that we also got in this week. But we definitely got a lot of great stuff in this week, especially the Gunpla. As some of you might know, we've been super low on Gundam model kits recently, so it's good to finally be able to start getting those back in. But as always, if you want to stay fully up to date with what we get in and actually see what comes in when it comes in, be sure to follow our Facebook and our website where we post a list of what comes in. And then here on YouTube, I've started posting quick look videos the day we get shipments in. That way you can get a head start in seeing what comes in. But nevertheless, thanks for watching.